Hi, I'm Martin, welcome back. If you watched my video a couple of weeks ago, you'll have seen that I built a homemade tandoor out of flower pots. So yesterday I thought I'd fire it up and do the first cook. So I tried tandoori chicken. It wasn't my recipe, it was Dan Toombs' recipe, the curry guy barbecue. I thought I'd give that a go. If you watch to the end, you'll see that there was a couple of hit and misses, but it was the first time, and you know, it's all a learning curve. But if you watch to the very end, you'll see a little trick that we tried and we actually got away with it. So thanks for watching. Please comment if you think it could have been done better or differently, or if you've got ideas on what I could be cooking on it. But if you enjoyed it, comment anyway, subscribe and all that malarkey.
So as you can see now, I've got my charcoal in there. That's burning away, you can see it glowing. So I think, I can feel the heat coming off that already, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave that probably for 20 minutes now and just see what happens and see how hot it gets. So it's getting quite warm. I'm going to just keep feeding. It's getting hotter and hotter. Oh, you can't see anything now. But I just keep adding little bits of charcoal to keep it going. And it's just getting hotter. It's been about half hour now. I've got my sensor in there and it's now telling me that I've got an oven temperature now of 190. So it's just absolutely going bloody mad now. Right, so I've got my tandoori chicken that I've made. I've got my oven nice and hot now. So let's just come put that over there. I've got tandoori paste and charcoal all over my fingers. Now what I've done, I've put these on the skewer, but I've also got some sacrificial vegetables. Normally you'd use potato, but I haven't got any, so I use carrot, just to stop the chicken sliding off. So let's get ourselves prepared. I better get my gloves on first. So let's get this on the go. So I'll get my gauge out. Okay, so I'm going to... Right, okay, so let's get these on. So this is how I'm going to do it. Get my skewer like that. And let's get the first one in. The first one in like that. And then we'll do the same for the second one. Oops. Okay. Fiddling about a bit there because I've got my gloves on. So let's get that in. Okay, so let's leave them in there for a bit. So I've got my tandoori chicken in there, look now, all on the skewers. Now that is absolutely baking hot. I can hardly hold my hand over it. So I think what I'm going to do is, first of all, to control the temperature a bit. You see, if you remember my last video, I've got my gap under here. I think what we'll do, look, is put the brick there, so I've covered up the air gap. And then what I'm also going to do then is, let's put my lid on, and that now should control the temperature a little bit more and sort of kill it down a bit, because it's now getting really, really hot. So this has been in about 25 minutes, this chicken now. I don't know what the internal temperature is of the oven, but I can't touch that. I can't touch that at all, it's so hot. So let's get this off and let's have a look what's going on. Hopefully I haven't burnt it. Just get a sneak preview there. There's my tandoori chicken. Right, so let's just have a quick look. 87, oh my god, they're overcooked a bit. 79, yeah, let's get these out. These are cooked. Let's get them out. Look at them. Let's these out. Look at them. Tandoori chicken for lunch. I mean, that is that hot. I can hardly even hold the skewers even with my gloves on. I dread to think what the temperature of that is in there. So, there we go. Tandoori chicken for lunch. So, I've done my tandoori chicken, and this, tandoor, I can't even, that is hot. I can only hold my hand over the top for less than a second, it's that hot. I don't want to waste the charcoal, so I think what I'm going to do is I've got myself a couple of chicken breasts, and I'm going to try something else now and see if I can cook a whole breast on it. Okay, so what I've done, look, with my breasts, I've just woven them on the skewers to stop them from sliding down, and then obviously I've put my sacrificial carrot here. So let's get these in. So we've got whole chicken breast now, and let's see how it cooks. There we go. Oh my god, that's hot. Ow. Right, so given that I can't touch that lid at all, ow, I thought that what I'd do is just give a demonstration to how hot this tandoor has actually got. So I'll just put that there. Can you see that? 170, 150 there. Okay, so I'm just going to check this chicken now. It's been in here 15 minutes. My god, that's hot. Right, there we go. Look, that looks cooked to me, but I'm going to double check. So I'm going to just check here that we've got 75 to stay alive. It's 84, it's overcooked. 92, oh my god. Right, well that's definitely cooked then, so I'll have that out. There we go, there's our chicken. Get it on the board. And that's looking good. So just as an experiment, just to show you, what we're going to try and do here is fry an egg actually on the lid of the tandoor. It's that hot I can't even touch it. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. We've fried an egg on the lid of the tandoor because it's that hot. Look at that. Fried egg. Unbelievable. There's the money shot.